Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm gonna walk you through how to apply a tourist visa to Pitcairn Islands. Before I proceed further, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, do it at your own risk. All right, guys. So let's proceed. So guys, this island nation is part of British Overseas Territory. So when it comes to visit to this place, if you're gonna travel for like if you're gonna stay there for 14 days or less, then you don't need to have any visa. You'll be granted entry at the time of arrival. Okay, but yes, you need to prove that you will not be you need to prove that you are a legitimate visitor and you have like sufficient funds. Okay, and yes, you need to depart on the same vessel. Why I'm saying the same vessel is because um, there is no air connectivity to this place. The only way you can do is that like you need to go through the vessel, like sea route only. All right. Now, if you want to stay for more than 14 days, then you must get entry clearance, okay, in advance of your visit. And they have said at least 3 months recommended. This is going to be the fee that you have to pay. Now, if you click on this link, it comes to this immigration website, and here you will go here, and you can see this form. Photograph needs to be here. What type of visa you are applying? About you. Okay, it's very simple document. Now, very simple. Marital status. Just select which one you are. Parent details, contact details, family details, previous application travel, and any criminal convictions that you have. Now you're gonna stay, and when you're gonna leave, your finances, of course, you need to prove you have, and any other information that you want to provide. Date sign, and once you are done with this, you need to send this to here, and then they will guide you about all other things if they need. So that is how it goes through, guys. And thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.